What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Mode. Today we're going to take a look at how we can get it into a Ford Bronco if the key fob dies. So we're going to take a look at how we can open it and prevent the alarm from going off. So I'm going to be working on a 2021 Ford Bronco in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So in this situation, our vehicle's locked and the key fob's dead. I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. So what we need to do is remove the emergency key that's on the bottom of the smart key. That's done by pressing this release on the front, and then the key will slide out like that. And now we're going to use this emergency key in the driver's door. Put it in there, and we need to turn it clockwise or to the right to unlock. Now once the door's unlocked, as soon as we open it, we're going to have around 10 seconds before the vehicle alarm's going to start going off. How we're going to prevent the alarm from going off is we need to start the vehicle. How we're going to start the vehicle with the dead key fob is we're going to place the key fob in the backup slot, and that's located in the center console. So we're going to get in, open the center console, and then we need to pull up a little piece of trim and we'll see our slot. I'm going to show all this to you. I'm just going to be going kind of quickly. So our door's unlocked. Go ahead and pull your emergency key out. It doesn't matter if you put it back in the key fob or not, but it's easier just to keep track of it. And it's telling us the vehicle center. So we need to go into our center console, pull this piece from the bottom, put it in there like that. Once it's in there, start the vehicle as you normally would. And as you heard there, I didn't quite get to it in time because I was kind of trying to talk and explain. But once you start the vehicle, the alarm will stop, as you saw there. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.